Hi, I'm Cathy with New Age Industrial. I'd like to tell you about our universal pan racks. This is our roll-in height welded universal rack. This unit has stepped angles, fully welded. This allows you to store steam table pans, sheet pans, multiple different sizes of containers. It's fully welded with the brace across the middle, which gives it stability and durability. Again, you're rolling this rack fully loaded, so you want it to stay square and stable. We also have inset casters, plate casters. The plate casters is an advantage for New Age, something different that our competitors don't do. We weld a plate to the bottom of the rack or the cart, and then we bolt the caster into it. This creates a lot more durability and stability for the rack because the stem caster is not falling out, and then the rack is ruined. So these racks have 5-year warranties because of that. But on this, the casters are inset, so you can roll it into a cabinet, whether it's a proofer or an oven or whatever it is. The next one is the wide angle rack. This is a fully welded rack as well. This unit has just fixed angles instead of the stepped angle. It's designed to hold steam table pans and sheet pans. This can also be manufactured in a wider one for the oval trays. Let's talk about the last one, which is the universal adjustable stepped angle rack. This unit has the stepped angle as well, and the reason for this is it allows you to put a lot of different types of materials in there, a lot of different containers. So that's the reason for the stepped angle. We have the adjustable. These are set on 1.5-inch centers so that you can adjust the angles accordingly. If you're cooking big roasts and you only want 3 or 4, so you can put those full-size roasts in there, or you're down to cookies where you only need a 1.5-inch space and you can load it up with sheet pans. So it gives you a lot of versatility and flexibility. These are adjustable as needed, and it comes with 12. You can order optional or additional pairs of angle racks. This one also includes the inset platform casters similar to the roll-in rack. If you'd like more information or you'd like us to customize a rack for you, reach out to us at sales@newageindustrial.com or look on our website, newageindustrial.com.